Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials. Know who you want to reach and pick 1 or 2 hook lines that match search intent. Once that is clear, copy an existing transcript or run speech-to-text so you have raw captions to edit. Then, make timing choices. For a 15-60-second short, plan about 1 to 2 caption lines every 3 to 5 seconds so the viewer can read comfortably. These first steps get you from idea to editable captions quickly. Do them now. You now polish the transcript for both readability and discovery. Trim each caption to about 32 to 40 characters, where possible, and aim for an effective reading speed of roughly 140 to 160 words per minute. Once done, weave 1 to 2 keywords naturally into your opening lines so the short surfaces in search. Also, use punctuation, commas, dashes, ellipses to control pacing and make the captions feel conversational rather than cramped. You finish by syncing captions tightly to the video frames, allowing half a second to 1 second adjustments if speech overlaps action. Then, preview on mobile with sound off to ensure the captions alone convey the message. If things go wrong, retime problematic segments, remove filler words, or re-export an SRT after cleaning non-speech artifacts. Make sure to test variations. Shorter lines or slight delays often fix readability issues, and then upload the final captions with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.